Texas here in North Houston. And in just a second, we're gonna walk through the Highland Homes 75-foot model home, which is Plan 272 here in the Woodlands Hills. Now, I wanna get right to the walkthrough for you, but I just wanted to give you a couple specs for context. This home is a 1-story, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, beautifully appointed with upgrades. I just know you're gonna love it. This Plan 272 starts in the 600s and goes up depending on upgrades, options, lot size, all that good stuff that you choose. And I can tell you that currently there is one quick move-in home with this plan available. It's priced at $738,000, has tons of upgrades, huge wooded lot that backs up to a green belt, beautifully appointed, and so much more. So if you are interested, let me know. Quick move-in homes tend to go somewhat quickly. Plus, Highland Homes right now has incredible buyer incentive that you can use toward reducing the sales price of the home. You can use it to buy down your interest rate, or you can use it for closing costs. Now, these incentives do change from time to time, usually on a monthly or every couple months, they will change their incentive. And depending on the market, they may or may not have incentives. So just depending on when you're watching this video, definitely reach out to me to get the nitty-gritty details on what's available at the time. All right, without further ado, let's get into the model home tour. I know you're gonna love it. Let's go. Homes 75-foot plans here in the Woodlands Hills are 4 and 5 bedroom plans starting in the 600s, and they range in the 600s, 700, and 800s as far as price point, and they're situated on the larger wooded lot. In fact, this is the largest lot size available here in the Woodlands Hills, and Highland Homes is one of only 2 builders that build on that size, the other being Perry Homes, and they truly are luxurious. Highland Homes offers 17 different floor plans with different elevations, structural options, and styles to choose from, so you really can create your dream home here in the Woodlands Hills. And remember, I live here in the Woodlands Hills. I love helping people find their home here, and it's no trouble at all. I do these videos for you. So if you have any questions, if you need help, if you're ready to go, or just have a random question, reach out to me. I'm always happy to chat. And last but not least, if you're thinking of moving here to the Woodlands Hills, you've got to download my free guide, The Ultimate Guide to Moving to the Woodlands Hills. It has all the information you need about HOA info, prices, fees, property tax, homes, amenities, all the stuff, you guys. I put everything in there for you. You can download it for free in the description below. Okay, I think that's it for now. Until the next video, have a great one, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.